In this video, we want to better understand amplitude and frequency. To help us understand this, we will look more into water waves. Before you try to, this video will be very short. Before you try the homework, you should definitely try the simulation yourself. The simulation, I put the link in the homework assignment. So first, let's think about amplitude of the wave. Let's say this is where some water can come down. If we turn down the faucet so only the water drops are very small, then when the water drops fall down here, the waves that they make will also be very small. Like that. When that happens, we can say that the amplitude is small. What happens if we use larger water droplets? Well, so larger water droplets. When that happens, the waves, so we end up with a much bigger wave. Amplitude is how much the wave goes up and down. So this time, the amplitude of the wave is large or big. So bigger water drops makes a bigger wave, results in larger amplitude. So this amplitude is just how big and how small the water wave gets. Next, frequency. This time, let's start by letting the droplets come out very slowly. It takes a lot of time for the wave to come out, for the water droplets to come down. If that happens, the wave will look like this. Because it takes a long time. So the frequency is low. And notice that when the frequency is low, the wavelength, that's large or long. The wavelength is how long this is, or from here to here. It's very long. This will be important in the next video. Next, let's change the frequency. So this time, instead of having droplets come out very slowly, let's have droplets that come out very quickly. One droplet, and that happens, the waves will look like this. So this time, the frequency is high because the water droplets coming down very quickly. When that happens, the wavelength becomes short. Finally, let's think about how that affects energy. When the amplitude is big, is large, we use large water droplets, the wave is big, so the energy goes up. So as amplitude increases, energy increases. Remember, this means increase. And if our frequency, so the droplets come down quickly. If the frequency, then the wave will look like this. That means the frequency increases. While more water, again, the energy decreases. And as we said earlier, it's really short. The wavelength is really short. It decreases. Sorry, I made a mistake. When frequency increases, the energy increases. More energy, right? Alright, that's it.